Picking my two Master Lock Magnum series. Hey guys, it's Joe with Average Joe Lock Sport. We got a couple Master Lock Magnums, and if I'm not mistaken, this one here is the M930 XKADLH. This one here is the M530 XTLH. We're going to try to pick them, see how these Magnum locks are. Okay, this Magnum lock has got the plastic weatherproofer. There is the keyway. There is the key bitting. And just to show you that it works. There's your open, close it, open, and closed. So there's the 930, and here is the keyway on the 530, and there is the bitting on the key. All right, so let's try to get these things picked. We're going to start with the 530 first. Going to use bottom of the keyway tensioner. And we are going to use this profile out of my Ridgeback set, along with my custom 3D Locksport handles. So let's go ahead and try the 530 and see if we can get her picked. Oh, well, that was actually really easy. There's my 530 picked. And let's go ahead and try the 930. Again, there's my keyway. Bottom of the keyway tension. And we are going to use this profile, and this is from my Mad Bob set, and again 3D Locksport printed handles, and these are the color changing filament handles. As you can see, it turning pink where my hand is holding on it. So let's go ahead and try to get this M30 open. I mean this 930 opened. And there is the open on the 930. Again, bottom of the keyway tension and my custom 3D lock pick. And now you can really see the color changing from where the heat on my hand is. So there is the Master Lock 930. There's the Master Lock 530. both out of the Magnum series, both kind of really easy to open up. So anyway, that's it, guys. If you like what you seen, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If there's anything that you'd like to see, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you. Bye. If you guys like what you seen, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.